At the end of this assignment, you will be able to describe the features of Windows 10 and explain the benefits of using Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest version of Microsoft's Windows operating system. With Windows 10, switching from the keyboard to a touch-based interface is easier than ever. Whether it's a smartphone, tab, or a desktop computer, the Windows 10 user experience is very smooth. One of the greatest things about Windows 10 is that it keeps getting better all the time. With automatic updates enabled, you get new Windows 10 features and security as soon as they are available at no extra cost. Windows 10 uses a brand new user interface based on the Microsoft Design Language too. Though this interface offers greater support for tablet users, the Start button offers very useful functionality for users working on desktops. Some of the new features in Windows 10 include the digital personal assistant named Cortana, live application tiles, and the Windows Store for Windows-based apps. Thus, Windows 10 is a power-packed and modern operating system which includes all the advantages of previous versions of Windows and more. Cortana has an integrated search feature which makes it very easy to search for a resource or a subject on a local computer as well as the web. The Task View feature helps you switch between different virtual desktops. Windows 10 also offers better data protection through improved BitLocker encryption. If you need a modern and fast web browser, relax. Windows 10 brings you Microsoft Edge, a lightweight and innovative browser which contains inbuilt tools for taking notes and reading web pages. Windows 10 allows you to open multiple instances of the same program simultaneously. To use this feature, simply hold the Shift key while left-clicking the first instance of the program in the taskbar. Though Windows 10 is a feature-rich operating system, its booting time is impressive. According to the studies, in spite of its rich features, Windows 10 takes nearly the same time to boot as earlier quick booting versions. Also, Windows 10 requires much less time to wake up from the sleep and hibernation modes as compared to other versions. The Windows Action Center helps you change default system notifications and customize security and maintenance-related quick actions on your computer. The full drive encryption feature called BitLocker that was used in earlier versions of Windows has been updated in Windows 10. BitLocker drive encryption is a data protection feature that integrates with the operating system and addresses the threats of data theft or exposure from lost, stolen, or other inappropriate computers. The Windows Calculator app has a totally new look and feel in Windows 10 as compared to earlier versions. Buttons are flatter and the interface is touch-friendly. What is interesting is that this app will work not just on desktops but on any Windows 10 based device. Windows 10 seeks to reflect the latest trends in user interface and computer displays. The Start menu is divided into two sections, one for a scroll-down programs menu and the other for application tiles. You can resize any tile as per your preference. A new feature in Windows 10 is the Task View. This feature provides you quick access to related windows and apps by collecting them together under separate virtual desktops. Microsoft has consolidated the most common network-based sharing tasks into a single simple interface called Home Group. Computers in a home group can easily share documents, digital media files, and printers over a home network. The snipping tool captures a screenshot of anything on your desktop, like a picture or a section of a web page. You may snip a whole window, a rectangular section of the screen, or draw a freehand outline with your mouse or tablet pen. The parental control features in Windows 10 allow parents and guardians to restrict young children from using potentially harmful websites, apps, or games. To use these features, go to Settings, then Accounts, and then Family and Other People. You will need to sign in with a Microsoft account to apply these features on your computer. If you are facing any problem while using Windows 10, you can record it using a desktop app named Steps Recorder and then share it with a support team who can help you. Steps Recorder captures screenshots of the steps a user is taking so that support personnel can provide a solution remotely without physically having to handle the device. The ribbon is an user interface element consisting of a set of menu items placed within different groups. In Windows 10, the ribbon is a part of the actual operating system. Thus, you can see it not only in inbuilt Windows applications but also in third-party applications. Windows 10 includes a new pop-up menu-like utility for finding and connecting to different types of available network connections, including Wi-Fi, mobile broadband, dial-up, and VPN connections. This interface makes it really easy to select the network of your choice. You can use the Windows Media Player application for playing audio and video as well as viewing images. This media player supports a variety of media file formats. Some of its key features include enhanced DVD playback, PC-to-PC and internet-based media streaming, and disk burning and ripping. Just as you use a personal locker for storing your important things, you may also need a digital locker for storing your important digital credentials. The Credential Manager utility in Windows 10 lets you save credentials like usernames and passwords so that you can more easily log on to the websites, networked computers, and other resources automatically. Windows 10 ships with a lightweight, fast, and modern web browser named Microsoft Edge. It has specialized annotation tools for highlighting text as well as a dedicated reading mode to read textual content on the browser. Though Microsoft Edge is the default web browser for the Windows platform, Windows 10 includes Internet Explorer 11 as an alternative browser. Cortana is your virtual assistant in Windows 10. To use Cortana, type in a query or subject of your choice in the search box beside Start, or else you can select the microphone and talk to Cortana. Using Cortana, you can search for any resource or topic on the web as well as the local computer. Cortana can also be used to organize your schedule by setting reminders. Isn't this wonderful? Remember, the more you use Cortana, the better she will be able to serve you. Just as you buy items of daily usage from the grocery store, you need the Windows Store to download, install, and use apps and games on Windows 10. While many apps and games on the store are free to use, others contain in-app purchases or require you to pay for downloading and installing them. The best thing about apps and games on the store is that they are universal. This means that you can play smoothly them on any Windows 10 based device. You have reached the end of the assignment. You have learned features of Windows 10, and benefits of Windows 10.